Believe it or not, on my last trip, I left one of my travel cubes lying on the floor. It was dark when we left that morning, and I think it just in a rush to get out. The cube was black and the curtains were still pulled, and I left it. So anyways, I got this replacement here. The nice thing about these Epica ones are that they have mesh on the front, so you can actually see what's inside, what you're packing, and they come in a variety of sizes. They're the most powerful thing about this is the compression feature, which if you're not familiar with compression cubes, I'll show you here. It's very simple. Took a trip to Iceland for 10 days, and we are single bag people in our family. And so by utilizing that strategy with the compression cubes, you're able to get a ton of stuff in your backpack. And so just unzipping this little flap here, you can see how much this expands compared to when it's fully flat. So you can see the difference between that. Also, you're not going to compress it down to this, but with some careful packing and kneeling or sitting on this, you can get these to be quite flat. And by utilizing a variety of sizes, they're quite easy and modular to stack inside your bag. We like the Osprey 45-liter quarter bag for our travels. That's primarily our primary bag for single bag travel overseas. So let me know what you like and what you use. Cheers.